Exploration and Colonization quiz. You will be matching the terms in the left-hand column with the definitions in the right. So term number 1, indentured servant. Term number 2, slave trade. Term number 3, free enterprise system. Term number 4, triangular trade route. Term number 5, representative. Matching A, a person chosen to act on behalf of others. B, the capture, enslavement, buying and selling of people for profit. C, a person who agrees to work for a set period of time without pay in exchange for necessities such as transportation of food, clothing, and shelter. D, an economic system in which people are free to start their own businesses or to do whatever they want. E, trade routes between Africa, the Americas, and Europe in which ships carry cash, crops, manufactured goods, and enslaved people. All right, 5 multiple choice questions. Number 6, A, rebellion is A, uprising, B, cash crop, C, profit, D, monarch. Number 7, a ruler is A, cash crop, B, monarch, C, uprising, D, slavery. Number 8, a crop that is grown to sell rather than to be used by the grower is A, slavery, B, profit, C, cash crop, D, slave trade. Number 9, the money a business earns after all its expenses are paid is A, profit, B, uprising, C, slave trade, D, slavery. Number 10, the practice of owning and controlling people against their will is A, profit, B, slavery, C, cash crop, D, slave trade.